Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to log into Cash App on desktop. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, launch open a web browser and go to the URL box and type in cash.app and search. Doing this will take you to the official site for Cash App. Now, you can go ahead and click on the login button at the top right corner. In the login area, select your country code and enter a mobile number. You can also use the email option. Simply click on email and enter a valid email address for your account. Once entering the email, click continue. On the next page, if you've chosen phone number option, you will receive a confirmation code with your SMS. Simply enter the confirmation code. Similarly, if you've chosen the email method, you will receive an email code on your email address. Open up a new tab and log into your email inbox and click open the email from Cash App. Copy the code and paste it inside the confirmation code text box. Once you are done, click continue. Soon after you do that, you will be able to log into your Cash App on desktop. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.